My name is Katie and I'm from Cater's Acres. Welcome into my Northeast Ohio studio. I'm so glad to welcome you here today, and there's a few things that I wanted to tell you about myself and about some of the things that I wanted to show you about what I create in my studio. I'm a whimsical sculptor. That means I make things that are cute and cuddly and that you would want to hold and to cuddle, except they're sculptures, so they're not necessarily cuddly in nature, but they look like they could be. But I wanted to show you some of the gifts that you can get for family, for friends, or for loved ones in my shop, and that's catersacres.com/shop. And you can see a wealth of things that you can adopt there, because at Cater's Acres, you don't buy things, you adopt them. You adopt a piece of my heart, a piece of my hands. So I have a wide variety and wealth of things that you can adopt here at Cater's Acres. Things from figurines, from mixed media wall hangings to ornaments, and so much more. And I can't show you all of them because, to be honest, there's just too many. But I'm going to show you some of the customer favorites from year to year. This is an example of one of the mixed media wall hangings. This one is just a sunflower, and these make beautiful gifts. This one is a 5x7 size, and I have them all the way up to about 13x9 that you can get for a gift for someone that you love. And you can get these and then frame them yourself or just hang them on the wall as they are. They come with felt backs, so they're very nice finished gifts. This one is the sunflower one, so sometimes it's nice to see things in person, and you can see they're always like that 2D dimensional piece of art. One of the other things that I have are what are called spoony shroomies. So these are made on spoons, and whatever spoons I have available, I sculpt the faces right into the spoons, and then the spoons are bent, and you can hang these right on a Christmas tree. I have a lady that actually collects these and hangs them off curtain rods in her home all year round. So there's a couple of them available this year in the shop. Then I have some examples here of a couple different type of dragons that I make. So I make this kind. These are, you can see her up close. This one's pretty big. Her name is Beauty, and she has jiggly arms and legs. So she kind of, here, I'll hold her this way. She jiggles, and she's one of our jointed dragon series. And then I have another kind of dragon. This one's actually, I'll show you this one. She's actually a griffin. But they are not jointed. They are just simply a figurine that you can sit on a shelf and look at and smile at. And each one of my figurines, they all have stories. That's part of the charm of these, is that when you adopt them, you get their story too. So you can read all about their stories and adopt them either because you think they're cute or because you like the story that goes with them. I also have a variety of other kinds of sculptures and figurines, and they vary in size and shape and color. This is a cute little not so scary monster with her bright candy pink and mint green and baby blue. And she's available for adoption in the shop as well. And I also have other characters, like this beautiful little owl with all of her handmade little feathers. And you can see the feathers. The feathers are not painted. They're all made with clay. The little feathers and her jiggly legs, her wings also jiggle. So things like this are all available in my shop for adoption. But the most famous, and what I was known for years ago and continues to be one of the anchor points of Cater's Acres, is my little friend Parker. I went to great lengths years ago. Parker is 10 years ago, and got a U.S. copyright for Parker. So Parker is now no different than Mickey Mouse. And Parker is a trademark of Cater's Acres and a copyrighted figurine. But Parker is just a little yellow friend that comes to life. But Parker can become a variety of things, and has become a variety of things through the years. There's a gingerbread ornament, a gingerbread Parker in the shop, a reindeer Parker in the shop, a pumpkin Parker in the shop. There are all kinds of different Parkers in the shop. This continues to be a popular Parker, and this is Vacation Parker. Vacation Parker is popular because, if you can see, and perhaps not, he's embedded with glitter. So he sparkles very nice, and his, of course, Cool Joe sunglasses make him a wonderful addition to your collection. But not only that, people take Vacation Parker around the world with him. He even has his own hashtag, and he randomly appears all kinds of places, from Walt Disney World to different countries to St. Louis Arch and all kinds of places. And you can literally follow different Parker's adventures around the world. So he continues to be a popular friend. Of course, this year's edition of the pandemic Parker, with his bottle of hand sanitizer and his mask. The mask comes dated or undated. Now this guy is special because all of the profits from this Parker go to charity. So that's a nice way to collect a Parker for yourself, but also to do some good to those that are in great need during this time. So that's a nice way to get something for yourself, but also to give back if you're interested in something like this. There's a wide variety of things that you can get as gifts to give to your loved ones, to your family members here at Cater's Acres. If you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to help you. We do gift cards. They're called Specs Bucks. Specs is one of our signature characters from the Shrooms line of collectibles, and the signature piece that you will see all through our website. Specs is a wonderful character, and as with all of our characters at Cater's Acres, each of the Shrooms have their own story as well, and they are also their own line of characters. Won't you come and won't you visit us and get something for yourself or for a friend? I'm so glad that each of you have taken this opportunity to watch this video to see what some of the things are that you might adopt or might be interested in. Thank you so much for your time today. Merry Christmas to each of you. Happy holidays, Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah to whatever season you celebrate in your home. My peace, my love, my joy, my goodwill to each of you. Thank you so much. Have a great evening. Bye.